A drone attack has damaged a Russian Su-57 Felon fighter jet at an airbase near Aktybinsk, according to sources affiliated with the Russian Air Force. The attack, reportedly carried out by Ukrainian suicide drones, marks a significant event as it could represent the first combat loss of the Su-57 in history. A Fighter bomber Telegram channel connected to the Russian Air Force confirmed the drone attack. Yes, yesterday the airbase in Aktybinsk was attacked by drones. 3 of them reached the airbase, the channel reported, indicating that 3 drones reached the airbase. The source further noted that the newest 5th-generation Su-57 fighter jet sustained serious damage. It is currently being determined whether it can be repaired or not. If not, this will be the first combat loss of the Su-57 in history, the source stated. The Russian military informant Telegram channel also confirmed the incident, criticizing the lack of adequate protection for the advanced aircraft. In the country, there were no proper hangars even for a few units of 5th-generation aircraft. Apparently, a hangar is more expensive than the most modern fighter jet, the channel posted. The Su-57 Felon is the most advanced fighter jet in the Russian military's arsenal. A twin-engine, single-seat aircraft, it is designed to perform multiple mission sets. Although the Russian military claims the aircraft has stealth capabilities, Western analyses have often questioned the extent of its stealth features.